Hello friends, have you ever wondered why the water drops are spherical in nature? Well, we are going to uncover this mystery with some fun and magical experiments. So, the answer is surface tension. Surface tension exists in water because water molecules tend to stick to one another by pulling each other on the surface very strongly. Now let's see how many drops of water can a small coin hold. Can you guess? Okay, let's see. The tiny coin could hold these many drops of water. Also see the dome-like shape of water, which is also because of surface tension. Now let's do some experiments to see this magical phenomena. Take a glass and fill it with water. Place a paper clip on the surface. As the paper clip is made of metal, it will sink, but if it is placed horizontally and carefully, it can be made to float. A tissue paper can also be used to place this. This happens because of surface tension of water. The clip is not actually floating but sitting on the surface of water, supported by the surface tension. If you put your finger in water, does the clip drop? No. Now let's see what happens if we add some soap. So dip your finger in soap and put it in the glass. Now the clip sinks as the soap will reduce the surface tension of the water molecules. Do you think it is possible to build a soap-powered paperboat? Let's see. Take a plate and fill it with water. Now make a boat using a paper and place it on the water. Now to make the boat move, put some soap in water behind the boat and see your boat moving. So soap breaks the surface tension as discussed earlier, and as the surface tension is broken, it creates enough force to push the lightweight boat across the surface. Do you want to prank your friends? Then this experiment is perfect for you. Take a plastic bottle and fill it with water. Now make some holes in it using needle or pins. Now take out all the pins and you will see the water does not drip out of the holes. Now this happens because of surface tension, as water molecules work together to form a kind of skin called surface tension to seal the holes. Now give it to your friend when they ask for water. So when they open it, the water from the holes will start coming out. When we open the cap, air pressure from top makes the water drip out of the holes. Next experiment is a magical trick where you can make multiple holes in a plastic bag full of water. Fill a plastic bag with water and seal it from top. Now take many pencils and try to put them through the water. The water does not drip, and that happens because of the same phenomena as we discussed in the previous experiment. Now this is a kid's favorite experiment. Take some milk in a plate and add some drop of food colors. Now take an earbud and dip it in soap. And now put the earbud in the milk. See the wonder. The soap breaks the surface tension of milk and reacts with the fat. This reaction will cause the milk particles to move around and creates a rainbow. By now we are already aware of what happens when we put soap in water. Now this experiment is another way to demonstrate the same. Add some water in a bowl, put some pepper, and now when we add a soap drop in water, the surface tension breaks, causing water to move, which also makes the pepper to move along with. One more way to show this is using toothpicks. Make a triangle or any shape that you want using toothpicks. Now when we add a drop of soap, the surface tension breaks, causing the toothpicks to move away. These experiments are easy and fun way to teach the phenomena of surface tension to kids. Do check out our channel for other videos on science experiments for kids. Thank you for watching.
Like, share, subscribe, click the bell button for latest updates.